Rangemanfilms, and I'm here with
Carey.
Hey Alexander, what's going on, man?
How you doing?
What graduation class are you?
I'm 2020.
2020. What high school?
Elite Academy.
Elite?
Yes.
All right, what travel team you playing for this year?
Elite Nation.
So tell me, what are you expecting to get out of the best of the best?
I'm just looking to work hard and play my best game.
Play your best game?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I hear you be crossing, making people fall and everything, man. Is that true?
I'm more of a shooter.
Oh, a shooter. Okay, well, you lights out then, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's what I'm talking about, man. Cool.
Hey, don't run up to the ball, get back.
That's too much. Hey, hit that. Wide open. The jump shot. Wide open. Hey, good shot.